today's episode, the longest hitting ever. Sarah gets anxiety and runs away from the crazy people.
Never to the left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheel.
Oh god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible. Sealed. I usually don't do puzzles, but this is sealed. I feel like even though this is cut in the front, someone would be able to do something. Like somebody cut this, but definitely I think someone will buy that. So two scores right in the beginning. Aren't these like skating shoes? What is happening today? Okay, kids. I really never buy shoes, but those, are these my size? What size are these? Dang, they're an 8. I usually do an 8.5 or a 9. They look pretty cool though. I mean, someone will probably want that. Like I said, if they were my size, I'd probably keep them. The shoes I have on right now aren't just fire. I got those off eBay. Oh, and I'm by myself, by the way, today, everybody. By myself. Adam is at home. We're getting our couch professionally cleaned. All the dog hair and cat hair cleaned off of it. So that's what he's monitoring. While I'm on here by myself. I feel like sometimes when you're alone, you can take your time. I think this is like an inflatable pool. When you're alone, you can take your time and you can see what's going on. What's going on? What's going on? Ooh, these look really plentiful. Yes, okay. I'm gonna cut over here real quick. You can definitely tell. This is a Kohl's brand, and it's a turtleneck, but it's literally gonna be pennies. So if you feel like I'm going to get that, maybe, I don't know, maybe. It's a Jessica Simpson purse. It looks disgusting inside. I don't know anything about cleaning purses. Adam said they're all done cleaning our couch. So that's amazing. They look like they were being very thorough, so. That looks like bathing suit job. They look like they were doing a really good job. Really tiny jeans. Gross fabric. Oh, is this a romper? I think it is. I mean, beautiful fabric that you should buy on eBay. Scobe romper. Oh, is it ripped? Or is it supposed to be like this? Oh no, it's supposed to be like this. Oh no, it's ripped. Oh, yeah, I think that's ripped. Yeah, I think it definitely is ripped. That stinks because I bought a romper here a couple weeks ago and I sold it like immediately. Have some like digging for some Levi's down here maybe. Oh, and he has a horsey, random horsey. It's like a hunting hat. What is this? Terrible fabric. This is scrub. I did not know different departments of the hospital wore different colored scrubs. My friend told me that the other day. My friend that works in the hospital. Women's size medium. Polo Ralph Lauren. Oh, it looks like there's some stainage on it. It was inside out, so it like had a chance. But it looks pretty worn. It has some pilling and stuff, so I'm gonna have to pass on that. Are these Levi's, please? No, they're not. What? happening? Ooh, this looks plush. Oh, it's from Walmart. Is this a dress? It is. I've sold this Knox Rose brand before. This is an extra large. It looks like it has all the buttons. So, and it's a good size. Like extra large, I feel like 14, 16. I'm actually gonna get this. I'm actually gonna put that back. It's just a plain turtleneck. I mean, I feel like you can get that anywhere. Sometimes you can get good flannels here. Timberland. Short sleeve. Okay, we'll check for all the buttons. If they're all there, that's probably a yes. The reason, this is Nike, but it's a kid's, and it's really grody. A little dirty. The only, well, I don't even know what thing. Oh, the only reason I feel like I'm picking more name brand things this time is because we had such good luck with everything that we bought at the bins last week. This is J. Crew. Or that was Monday actually that we came here. And we pretty much sold everything. I think except for the one dress. We sold it all in like 2 days. So that is why I thought this might be a worthwhile trip. Let's see here. Ooh, this looks good. Fruit of the Loom. It's just Fruit of the Loom. But look at this tie-dye. This is like just really awesome looking, and somebody will definitely buy this. The tie-dye that I bought the other day had a stain on it. A big stain on the back. I just closed it in the description. I pointed to it. I took a close-up picture of it, and I still sold it for like $7. Cute. I like this. Nevada Lodge, north end of Lake Tahoe in the heart of Reno. Somebody will buy that. Oh my gosh, mini beers. I love mini beers. Isn't it like heavy cream and like some kind of alcohol on top? Someone will definitely buy like this. I think it's like a quarter. Brooks Brothers. Size large, slim fit. Okay. You know, I'm like obsessed with buttoning the buttons. I gotta make sure they're all there. This looks like it was never worn. Yeah, let's look it up. That looks good. I know Brooks Brothers is a thing. There's a butt cushion. Got a butt cushion. Ew, it's like a felt tree. Christmas decorations give me anxiety. Look at this old mixer thing. Levi's, 14 regular women's. Perfectly smooth. Okay, those are like basically $100. Robo collar. Give it up. Ooh, Under Armour pants. Loose. Size small. I'm still gonna get them. I don't care. Somebody will buy those. How are you even supposed to look for books? You can't. You can't even look for books. Ew, what is that? It's like moldy. Oh God. Look at the tiger. It's so dirty. It looks like a 70s carnival. Row 7. Okay. What's this? It's like Polly Pocket or Fisher Price or something? Doesn't say. Oh, Little People. I can't believe it's not butter. I don't know about y'all, but I can always believe it's not butter. It's just yellow, greasy whipped oil. What is this? $36.34. Looks vintage. Faded Glory. That's Walmart. Quilty? People like the vintage quilts. Oh, look, somebody peed on it. Gross. Ooh, these are Levi's. What are these? Are these worth it? Are these children's? Levi's? Relax regular 12. Oh, the knees are destroyed. What is this? This is horrible. Izod coat. I don't think it's so terrible. Somebody might actually buy this. It's like an Easter coat. It's like a big Easter egg if you wear this. Do you look like a big Easter egg? If you do, you should buy this jacket. This Easter egg jacket. Look like an Easter egg. Let's make sure it's all intact. Let's give it a full inspection. Let's give it the Sarah inspection. It's beautiful. Okay. Yep, outerwear. The belt is here. The belt is definitely here. The belt has a thing. Yeah, it's all here. I'm not even gonna look this up because this is unique and somebody will buy this. Ooh, more tie-dye. Somebody will buy it. Yes, friends. Oh my god. This video should be called Tie-Dye Surprise. This is great. Size large, women's. Okay. I'll take that. I literally just sold this exact shirt the other day. But it had the tags on it, so. What's this? Jean jacket, Arizona. American Eagle. Outfit is kick, boot, stretch, size 0. That means no. That's too small. These are women's Levi's, it looks like. 515, women's Levi's, size 14M. Perfect. 14M is a great size. That's the average size for a woman in the United States of America. These are beautiful. They look great. We're gonna get this. This is like, look at this bountiful cart we have. Will we be keeping all of these items? Look at this table up there. Oh my gosh. Look at them. They're insane. The closer I get to those people, the more anxiety I start to have. But I think I might be able to scooch in on the corner over there. Oh no. So very scared. I'm gonna try it. This dude looks like a professional on the end though, so I don't know. Maybe not. Tag on it. Oh, sorry. Get my daughter out. Sorry about that. Jalen. On today's episode of Longest Spinning Ever, Sarah gets anxiety and runs away from the crazy people in the flesh bin. Alright, so now that everybody's up there and acting like crazy fools, I am going to do a quick go through all of this stuff and see what I'm actually going to keep. I already went over this coat. I'm going to get these Nike shorts. This is a Vera Wang shirt, size small, brand new, with tags, Kohl's, $36 price tag. It's really cool. Vera Wang's a really good brand, so that's a definite yes. These are women's Adidas pants, size, let's see, what size is this? Large. And they are in great shape. They're pink and gray, so this is a yes. Again, LuLaRoe dress. This says an extra small, extra small, but I feel like it's not. This is more like a medium. So I'll just put that in the description. Fits more like a medium. So we got women's Levi's, one pair here. And we got another pair here. So that's a definite yes. I'm kind of rushing through this because, like I said, I gotta be somewhere. This tie-dye is a yes. I'm just gonna get through all the tie-dye real quick here because we're all keeping all the tie-dye. The tie-dye's all yes. This, I'm gonna look it up real quick at the end. These are Under Armour. Size small, nothing wrong with them, perfect condition. So that's a yes. The glass is a yes. The dress is a yes. Sorry for my spastasticness. The stress is a yes. And then this stuff I gotta look up real quick. The Peanuts tie, golfing, it has some snags in it. The golfing Peanuts tie definitely has some snags in it, so that's gonna be a no. $25 for this. Okay. $9.50, $25. Oh, the no, is this no iron? Yes, it is. All the no iron Brooks Brothers are selling for like $25. So that's a good size. So I'm gonna get that. Timberland. I've had good luck with Timberlands before. This is gonna cost nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and get it. And then this I'm getting. The glass I'm getting. Are these DG? I don't know. Let's, in the puzzle, I'm gonna scan it. Oh, 20 bucks? Okay. Plus $8 shipping. So if you put this on for 25 free shipping, you make like $10 off it. So this is a yes. Let's just scan these Leg Avenue tights. And no one has bought these. So that's, I'm gonna say no. And then I just gotta look these shoes up real quick. DC Shoe Company. I'm gonna get them. I mean, how? I'll just clean them. I don't know anything about cleaning shoes.